Hello, what's up everyone? Today we gonna introduce the SketchUp, the first basic introduction of the SketchUp. Okay, so let's get straight on the topic. Here I'm gonna open the SketchUp first. Okay, so this is the all the templates in different specifications. Here are the architectural images, simple in meter, CGI and metric systems, all upon the requirements. Here I'm gonna select the architectural images. Okay, so let's click on them. Wait for the open. Take some time. Okay, so our basic SketchUp screen is open. So I'm gonna show you. Here is the toolbars. Here is the basic toolbars. Here are the basic SketchUp tools or we require to stimulate or create a model. So first of all, this is the selection tool. Is used to select the wall system. Okay, let's get started with the units. First of all, you need to go to Windows and open the model info. First of all, you need to start is select the statistics units. You need to select the system what is your requirement for the SketchUp. Here I'm gonna select the architecture, decimal. There are the all other three. I'm gonna use the architecture. Select the precision. I'm gonna select the 1/4. Okay, so let's jump in. Here are the first arrow tool. Here is the used to select the objects. Okay, here is the eraser tool. I'm gonna show you detail on the next part. Okay, this is the line pencil tool to use the lines. This is the arc or curvature. This is the sphere and square, rectangle, polygon. This is push pull. This is offset. This is move and the rotate, scale, measure, text tool, paint bucket tool. Okay, let's take the time. This is the pivot. This is pen, zoom extents, and all the other tools to use the basic SketchUp. So let's get started with the basics. So here are the all the controls and all the tools required for the SketchUp. So first of all, you need to start with press the shift key and scroll button. Here are the shortcut for the pen. Okay, you can use also from here, but this is the shortcut. Remember and mark this. Remember and write this down on your notebook. Okay? Shift and the scroll button. Okay, only if you press the scroll button using the pivot. Okay, you can use from the also here, and this is the shortcut of the pivot. Okay, so scroll button, press the scroll button and move slightly. This is the shortcut of, and scroll the middle button of the mouse, and this is the zoom in and zoom out. Okay, it's the basic. Shift plus scroll button moves with the panning hand. This is the basic buttons of the SketchUp beginners. Okay, okay, this is the basic tool you need to use the SketchUp. Okay, here I am using the first tool. Let's take the shapes. Okay, rectangles. I'm click here, and then this window show me the dimensions. After first click, type the dimension. Here I'm typing 15, and the other dimension you need to have comma. Then I'm typing the 45, then enter. This is the rectangle we get on your own dimension. Then this is the rectangle tool. You can use circle also. Just select the circle and type the radius 15. Here are our circle, 30. This is your circle. Third polygon, you can tap anywhere and put the sides and sizes. Here are the dimensions. Okay, so here are the basic shape tools. You can use rectangle, polygon, and multiple tools also. Here are the arc tool. You can use for, first of all, click here, second dot. After all, you give the radius, height. Let's take 4. It's the smaller one. Let's take the 40. Here we are. Okay. Here is the pencil tool. You can click anywhere, type the dimension, and put the other point. When the 2 points join, it will fill up the solid. Okay, let's take on this. This is the eraser tool. You can erase the lines like this. E is the shortcut for the eraser, and if you want to move the surface, select the shape and select the move. You can move easily anywhere. Okay. After all, you can offset. Select the offset tool, select the surface and put the distance. We can talk in details after another video. Here are the basic introduction. This is the rotate tool. Select this, rotate any shapes like. Okay. Cool. This is the scale tool. We can talk about the scale. Select this one, select the scale tool. You can easily manipulate the scales. Okay. This is detail. You can measure the sides, dimension of the every shape. Okay. This is the This is the zoom in and zoom out. Click on the zoom tool and left click and drag it and drag down. You can zoom in and zoom out. This is the zoom extend. If you lost in the model anywhere, zoom extend, here it gets you back. This is the paint bucket. It will take some time. Here are the materials. We can talk on the later, but here the basics. Select any material you want. Put it on the any surfaces like that. Here are the tag. You can mention, select and mention anything. There are 40 reference. You can see from the any sites. Okay. All the tools are covered. We can talk in detail every tool in another videos. Here are the basic introduction of the tools and shapes for the SketchUp beginning. Hope you enjoyed and clarifies all your doubts for the SketchUp beginnings. It's much easier software than any other 3D softwares. Your comments and your another questions, tell me in the comment section. I will try to respond every single one. Okay, thank you guys.